It's dark, and I look like an angel. Ah! What happened? The lights are coming back? Really? No. All right, so, wow, the lighting is horrible today. I think it's because we just shot and all the lights were off, and then when you turn them on, they kind of gradually get brighter. So that's why it looks like this. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi to you guys. It's Happy Tuesday. Tell me Tuesday. Tell me what you guys think. Oh, I have to burp. Hold on.
I see the don't commit croissant aside. Picture hanging in the kitchen.
Hey, just come in. Just come on in.
Oh, I don't know when you're shooting, when you're not shooting. You always seem to be shooting. I don't know. I can't keep track.
Kyle, everybody. Where's your bongos? Yeah, will you bring him in on Friday for Dance Party Friday?
No.
He will. So today on Ellen, LL Cool J is on the show. Oh, man. Holy shoot. Oh, my God. I hope LL does not see this video because then he will be very disappointed. He's on Ellen today, and he talks about his pet, which is a very interesting pet, and it's very funny. And he and Ellen have such good chemistry, but you know who has better chemistry with LL Cool J? Me. I interviewed him way back in the day, like the 90s, and he was dreamy then, and he's still super dreamy now, and I think he's still married, right?
Yep.
I love a married man. No, I do. I love when like guys are sexy and fun and different and cute and they have like a family and they're good men and yeah, that's how Tommy is, right? You better be like that. I just wanted to let you guys know that that's coming up on Ellen today. We have some other fun shows. As you probably already know, we are posting multiple shows a day as opposed to one long show. You're getting more for your money. I think you're actually paying any money. Yeah, no, they're not.
No, there's no money.
No, never mind. That's a bad analogy. I need some lotion. I'm kind of getting ashy. Do you ever get like that after you go in the sun and your skin gets a little scaly? Happy Tuesday. Tell me Tuesday. Tell me. What can I have the peeps tell me? Tell me. Hey, I know what you can tell me. Tell me your most annoying coworker and the things that they do to annoy you.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Kyle.
What does he do to annoy you?
He's just like here breathing. He's all loud. He's clapping.
Do you want to know who my least favorite coworker is?
Yep. Yeah, that guy.
Tell me about your least favorite coworker. Don't say any names, obviously, but just let me know what the traits are of. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Mine's the guy that's really loud. He claps. I won't say his name. He's a writer.
The only person that's not in this room is the one you don't like. Oh, I digress. What's new? Tell me about your coworkers that you don't like. I love it.
Are we loud clapping?
See?
Goodbye.